Jal Jeevan Mission is a very important scheme, and I know personally that Prime Minister is putting lot of emphasis for providing clean drinking water to every household of this country. The mission has been vigorously implemented by Honorable Minister Jal and from the presentation we can see and we can confidently we can see that it will be every household of our country will have tap water connection by 2024 March. So if that happen, and I am sure that is going to happen, lot of problem today faced by the society, including lot of problem relating to the health, will be solved, and probably our country will march towards another step for its not only Atmanirbharshil but also to become a Vishwaguru. Lot of money is being pumped to the state, and central government has reposed complete trust on the state for implementing this mission. So if we cannot deliver, it will be a collective failure of all of us, and if we can deliver, then it will be a collective triumph for the state. So true to the spirit of federalism, central government is giving us money, giving us fund, giving us technical advices, placing technological platform. Everything central government is doing. What we have to do, we have to only implement the program with the help of the stakeholders. This program is not only about building some structure or putting some pipelines. It is also about the durability. So if we have a structure and tomorrow it is not used by the people, then probably the mission will not get accomplished. So that is why involving stakeholders at the last mile is of very, very important. We have heard Honorable Prime Minister in his video speech or video recording. The emphasis was more on involving people, mainly the women of our society, because ultimately they are the one who has to face everything if there is no water in their home or in their residence.